Hey CryptoGo fam, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting exchanges in the crypto world, Bybit. Specifically, we're going to explore how you can maximize your earnings using the SUSU referral code and snag up to a $30,000 sign-up bonus. If you're looking to trade crypto and earn some serious rewards, you'll want to stick around for this one. What is Bybit? For those who might not be familiar with Bybit, it's a cryptocurrency exchange that started in 2018. It's quickly become one of the most popular platforms for trading digital assets, especially for derivatives like futures and perpetual contracts. Bybit is known for its fast execution, low fees, and user-friendly design, making it a great choice for both newcomers and seasoned traders. One of the unique features of Bybit is that it offers leverage on many of its products. You can use leverage to increase your exposure to price movements, which can significantly boost potential returns. But of course, it's important to be mindful of the risks involved. $30,000 sign-up bonus. How does it work? Bybit's $30,000 sign-up bonus is one of the most attractive offers for new users in the market right now. When you use the SUSU referral code to sign up, you can unlock this huge bonus, which is given based on your trading activity. Here's how it typically works. Deposit requirement. To unlock the bonus, you'll usually need to meet a minimum deposit requirement, which varies depending on the region and promotion. Trading volume. The bonus is given incrementally based on your trading volume. So the more you trade, the more of the bonus you unlock. Referral code. Remember, you'll need to use the referral code SUSU to get access to this reward. It's a simple step but crucial if you want to maximize your bonus. Bybit does a great job of incentivizing new users and making the process of earning rewards straightforward. However, make sure to read the terms and conditions closely before diving in. The bonus can be a huge advantage, but it comes with some obligations like trading volume that you'll need to meet. Advantages of Bybit. So why should you consider trading on Bybit? Let's break down some of the advantages. Low fees. Bybit charges relatively low trading fees. The maker fee is 0.025%, while the taker fee is 0.075%. You can also reduce fees further by using Bybit's native token, BYD. Security. Bybit offers top-tier security features, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for the majority of user funds. Security is a big concern for crypto traders, and Bybit has worked hard to ensure your funds are protected. User-friendly interface. Whether you're a beginner or experienced trader, Bybit's platform is easy to navigate. The mobile app and web interface are clean and intuitive, making it easy to execute trades quickly. 24/7 customer support. Bybit offers excellent customer service. If you ever run into an issue, their support team is available around the clock to help you out. Advanced trading tools. Bybit offers leverage trading, margin trading, and derivatives, giving you plenty of options to diversify your strategies. Disadvantages of Bybit. No exchange is perfect, and Bybit has its drawbacks. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Limited fiat deposit options. While Bybit supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, depositing fiat like USD or EUR is a bit limited. You may need to use third-party services or convert your fiat to crypto first before trading. Risk of leverage trading. Leverage trading is a double-edged sword. While it can amplify your profits, it can also quickly wipe out your account if things go south. If you're new to leverage, make sure you fully understand the risks before jumping in. Not available in all countries. Bybit is available in most regions, but there are some countries where it's restricted. Be sure to check whether your country supports Bybit before signing up. Final thoughts. In conclusion, Bybit is an excellent platform for both beginner and experienced traders. It offers competitive fees, high-quality security features, and a simple interface. The $30,000 sign-up bonus via the SUSU referral code is just the cherry on top. If you're serious about trading and want to take advantage of great rewards, Bybit is worth considering. Just remember that, like all crypto trading, it carries risks, especially when using leverage. So, always trade responsibly. Ready to start? Use the link in the video description or comments below to sign up with the SUSU referral code and start trading with Bybit today. If you have any questions or experiences with Bybit, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe and happy trading.